McVey Napier, born Napier McVey, FRSE FRSWS, April 11, 1776, Kirkintilloch, February 11, 1847, Edinburgh, was a Scottish solicitor, legal scholar, and an editor of the Encyclopaedia Britannica. He was Professor of Conveyancing at Edinburgh University. Life: McVey was born on April 12, 1776 in Kirkintilloch, the son of John McVey, a merchant in the town. His mother's maiden name was Napier. He studied law first at Glasgow University, then Edinburgh University, before befriending the publisher Archibald Constable in 1798. Constable later asked Napier to write for the Edinburgh Review with articles beginning from 1805 and became an editor in 1814. He in turn recruited several eminent authorities to write in the 6th edition and its supplement, as well as in the 7th edition of the Britannica. He was editor of the Review from 1829. From 1805 to 1837 he acted as librarian to the Signet Library, the law library for Edinburgh solicitors. From 1816 to 1824 he lectured in legal conveyancing, selling property, and in 1825 he became a professor of conveyancing at Edinburgh University. He was inducted into the Royal Society of London for the Improvement of Natural Knowledge in 1817. In 1812 he was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society of Edinburgh. In 1817 he had a very public fallout with Professor John Wilson in a series of letters published in Blackwood's magazine under the title of Hypocrisy Unveiled. In 1829 he replaced Francis Jeffrey as principal editor of the Edinburgh Review. In the 1830s he is listed as living and operating from 39 Castle Street in Edinburgh's New Town. The property is a complex 3-story townhouse within an elegant 4-story and attic block. It had the very notable claim to fame as previously having been the home of Sir Walter Scott. He died in Edinburgh on February 11, 1847 and is buried in St. John's Episcopal Churchyard at the east end of Princes Street. Family: Napier married Catherine Skene, d. 1828, in 1797 and they had 7 sons and 3 daughters. One son, McVey, edited his father's papers for publication. 10. Alexander became Vicar of Holcombe, Norfolk. John died in the West Indies. David Skene was a merchant in Singapore and gave George Coleman his first important commission to build a large Palladian residence in 1826, and William went to Singapore as a lawyer in 1833.